I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify and Facebook Easy Guide. Open Shopify Admin, go to Sales Channels, click Facebook, and follow the setup wizard to connect your Facebook account and catalog. Make sure you have Business Manager access and a compliant product catalog. Verify your domain in Shopify, set up Commerce account in Facebook, and confirm data sharing settings. I'll walk you through common errors and quick fixes. Connect your Facebook sales channel in Shopify by installing the Facebook app and granting permissions for pages, ad accounts, and catalogs. Upload product variants and images, set correct SKUs and availability, and map shipping and tax settings to match Facebook requirements. Review product compliance and remove prohibited items. If products fail review, check image size and description fields, then resubmit. I'll guide you through each setting clearly and simply now. On another note, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick guides. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear theirs during long setup sessions. I appreciate you watching and sharing this guide. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting small creators. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshoot common issues like sync delays, pixel misfires, and catalog mismatches by checking connection status in Shopify and Facebook Commerce Manager. Reauthorize connections, clear cache, and ensure your Facebook Pixel ID is added in Shopify and firing on product pages. For inventory discrepancies, reconcile SKUs and location settings. Test purchases with a low-cost item to confirm checkout flow. I'll explain each debug step and how to contact support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.